After winning independence through a historic 9-month liberation war in 1971, Bangladesh needed something every sovereign nation requires, its own currency. That currency became the Taka, a symbol of freedom, identity, and economic independence. Today, every 500 and 1,000 Taka note begins its journey inside one of the country's most secure production facilities. The process starts with precision printing, where specialized inks are applied layer by layer to create the detailed designs seen on every banknote. Next, advanced engraving systems transfer intricate portraits, security patterns, and microscopic details that help protect the Taka against counterfeiting. Once printing is complete, unique serial numbers are added to every note, ensuring that each banknote can be individually identified and tracked throughout its life cycle. The finished notes are then counted, compressed into secure bundles, and carefully packaged for protection. These bundles are placed inside reinforced wooden boxes designed for secure transportation and storage. Finally, each box receives a unique QR code label, allowing officials to verify, track, and manage every shipment before it leaves the facility. From security printing and numbering to bundling and final packaging, this is the remarkable journey of how Bangladesh creates the money.
Have you ever wondered where a banknote's journey truly begins? Most people think money starts inside a printing machine, but long before the first design is printed, the process begins with something much simpler: specialized currency paper. Unlike ordinary paper made from wood pulp, banknote paper is engineered for durability. It is typically produced using a blend containing between 80 and 100% pure cotton fibers, often combined with materials such as linen to withstand years of circulation. But here's something many people never realize. The paper used to create Bangladesh's currency is not ordinary paper manufactured for everyday use. Because of the advanced security and quality requirements involved, specialized banknote paper has historically been sourced from internationally recognized security paper manufacturers, including facilities in Switzerland. Imagine that for a moment. Before becoming a Bangladesh Taka note, the paper may have already traveled thousands of kilometers before reaching Bangladesh. When the raw currency paper arrives, every shipment undergoes strict inspection procedures. Specialists carefully examine its strength, texture, fiber composition, and consistency. Even a tiny defect in it.
This is where the paper begins to protect itself. One of the first security features added is the security thread, a thin metallic strip embedded directly inside the paper. When you hold a banknote up to the light, this thread becomes visible, running through the note. Next comes the watermark. Created during paper production rather than printing, it can usually be seen by holding the banknote against a bright light source. Microscopic security fibers are also embedded throughout the paper, helping experts verify authenticity. These hidden features are the first line of defense against counterfeiters. And next, the paper will finally receive its printed designs and colors.
Look at the alignment here on the interlocking curves.
Yes, the registration seems slightly off in this quadrant.
Check this alignment here on the 500.
Yes, it is within tolerance. The watermark is clear.
Meticulous inspection ensures color consistency and print quality, comparing every sheet against the approved reference samples. Deep engraved lines contain portraits, text, and denomination details. This close-up reveals intricate engraving impossible to reproduce accurately.
Freshly printed Taka sheets travel through controlled drying system. Bangladeshi workers monitor drying conditions throughout
Have you ever
production
noticed
process.
that Bangladesh Taka banknotes come in different sizes and colors? That's no accident. Inside Bangladesh's currency printing facility, every denomination is produced separately to ensure security, accuracy, and easy recognition in daily use. The 200 Taka note is printed in distinctive yellow-gold tones and measures 146 by 63 millimeters. The 500 Taka note
All serial
follows,
numbers
featuring
are
a
sequential.
dark green design and a slightly larger size of
Confirmed.
152
The
by
count
65
matches the
millimeters.
manifest.
And finally, the largest circulating banknote in Bangladesh, the 1000 Taka note, appears in a light gray-blue color scheme and measures 160 by
The
70
alignment on the
millimeters.
500
But
series
printing
looks
these
good.
notes is about much more
Check the
than
watermark
color
on
and
the
size.
200 batch.
Every sheet must pass strict quality controls, where specialists carefully check alignment, ink consistency, and security elements. Even the smallest printing error can lead to an entire batch being rejected. Only after meeting these exact standards do the freshly printed sheets move forward to serial numbering, security inspection, and the next stage of production, bringing Bangladesh's currency one step closer to circulation.
Look at the throughput data here. The mechanical arms are performing optimally.
Check the numbers against the manifest here.
They match perfectly. The machine is calibrated.